people. How you guys are doing? I hope you're having a fabulous day or night. Um, I wanted to take the time to make this video to kind of talk to you guys um, about what I'm doing. um, so first off, I want to say that I am extremely um grateful. I've am blessed with um just by knowing um the skill set that I am going to talk to you guys about. Okay, I don't know if anyone is familiar with trading or even aware of about Forex. If you don't know what Forex is, please look it up, Google it. It's basically the foreign exchange market. Please Google it, read it for yourself, because I am a big believer on telling people to do your own research, do your own due diligence, and research what people is talking about. Like if someone is telling you something and it's like foreign to you, then research it, okay? So you are familiar with it, okay? So that's what I'm going to tell you to do. If you have no idea what Forex is, please research it, learn about it, okay? Because believe it or not, more and more people are aware, and more people is actually trading, okay, in the markets, okay. And they are learning how to read charts, they're learning how to trade. And if you want to be able to do that, then I suggest that you find yourself a very good mentor and start learning, okay. But I have partnered with this amazing, phenomenal company, and I have invested in myself into being able, wanting to learn how to trade high frequency forex. So it's another version of which you hear a lot of people say HFX, or binary options. Okay, and it's a lot faster paced than just trading, doing general trading. Okay, a lot faster, but I love it. Okay, you make money within minutes. You don't have to worry about stop loss, you don't have to worry about take profit. But there's nothing wrong with general trading. I am still currently teaching that with my students, and if you want like to get plugged in with my free course, by all means click the link in my bio. Scroll down till you see my free course. Click on it. It is my free course is located in Telegram. Telegram is an app that you can get. It's a free app you can get. So set yourself a Telegram account. If you have an Android or you have Apple, it does not matter. You will be able to utilize Telegram. It's a free course. Join. Believe me, the value, the information that you receive, you would think like, oh my goodness, you should be paying for this, but I am not. Okay, it's totally free. We do have Zooms. We have a weekly schedule within inside our my free course. Okay, so definitely. Um, if you want more information, get plugged in with me, click the link in my bio for that information. Now, for my paid course, believe me, you're going to be like ecstatic, okay? There's so many educators, and these educators, I promise you, are making like 6, 7, 8, 9 figures. And they've been trading for quite a while, and they're making money, okay? These are not just educators that just started out, that's just now, trading. No, you will learn. You'll be able to place trade ideas, place trades when they place trades. And again, I'm gonna put my disclaimer out. Past profits doesn't guarantee future results, so we're not guarantee you. And when I say we, me or my company that I'm partnering with, it's not guarantee you any X amount of dollars whatsoever. Okay, when you trading, you also lose money, but you do want to educate yourself. Why am I saying that? Well, I am saying that because when you educate yourself and invest in an educational platform and learn how to trade, you will first off, you will learn to minimize your losses and have and have more wins. Okay, if you don't educate yourself, you will find yourself where you're losing way more and you're losing more money. You do not want that. Okay, but overall, you will lose money overall. So I'm not trying to tell you you will never lose money once you get educated. No, you would. There's going to be times where you lose money. That's just a part of trading. But you would notice the huge difference once you've educated, and it's so much involved. So that's why you want to get educated. In When you want to learn, once you learn trading in Forex. Okay, so how will this benefit you? Okay, let's explain that. So currently, if you are finding yourself constantly talking about how you're barely making ends meet or whatever, or if you are, or if you the person that just saying, hey, I want to be able to uh make multiple streams of income, or at least have another extra income, but I can't afford to go out, go and do this. I'd rather be able to make money from home. This is a perfect opportunity for you to do that. This is a skill set that you will definitely want to learn. And partner with my company, you'll be able to make money and also be able to you'll be able to make money, but also be able to learn at the same time. Okay, and we are my team and all of us. We literally trade together like at least 3 times a week. Okay, so that's another reason why you want to get plugged in with me. Please inbox me if you have more questions, or if you like anything that I am basically saying. You would definitely want to get plugged in with me. I am extremely blessed. I am like so grateful that I have found the mentors that I have. Okay, I have amazing mentors that have stirred me in the right direction in my trading journey, and I am super happy, super excited, and I want to be able to bless someone else. Okay, and with my free course, I get so many positive reviews, so many positive people giving me reviews with regarding my free course. So you definitely want to get plugged in. If you like, okay, I don't know so much about the paid course, but I do definitely want to join your free course. Please do so. But you're missing out. Don't sleep on my paid course, y'all. Do not sleep on it. Okay, because you will learn so much off the paid course. Okay, I just can't stress that enough. Okay, but if you definitely want more information regarding my paid or my free, or just both, I'll be happy to provide you information with both. Also, another thing that I'm about to get ready to do is I'm gonna be doing a lot of Zoom meetings, because regarding my paid course is starting out. It is $234 starting out, and then $174 monthly. Okay, but I'm doing a special, and I can't promise that I'm gonna be doing this for a long time. I can't promise I'm gonna be this is a permanent decision, because it's not. I don't know for how long I'm gonna be doing this, but I just want to give you heads up that I'm about to get ready to do what is called help potential students make money, get a huge discount off their first month payment. Okay, what I mean by that is, if you trade with me, we can most likely get it where where you only have to come up with half of your money. Okay, with half of your half of okay. So basically, with it being 270 270 no, did I say 274? I say 234. Sorry, getting a little ahead of myself. So $234. Okay, and so basically, I'm starting a deal where we'll focus on we'll make money, and please come with half of it, so it won't be so overwhelming for you. So then all you have to do is pay the other half of the of the out of the 234. Okay, I'm gonna be a little bit more detailed about it once I have all the everything kind of worked out. Okay, but I'm about to do that. Okay, and in my presentations that I'm about to do again, it'll be more detailed about what my goals is and what I'm about to start doing. Okay, so if you're serious, like I said, if you're serious and you're like, oh, I don't know about the 234, but I do want to join, I want to pay, then you definitely want to start hopping on these sessions that I'm about to do, where we can make money together, and we can, and that will help you at least knock down some of that your first month payment. Okay, so that's kind of what my goals are. Again, I'm not gonna be doing this forever. It's just something that I'm doing. And so anyway, more details regarding that, at a later time. But I'm just want to put that out there about the special that I'm about to get ready to do. Okay. But in the meantime, inbox me if you're interested, if you want to join my pay course, or if you want to join my free course, or you can join both. It is no rules that you can't be in both. But yeah, so that's it. I just hope you guys have a blessed day, and I will talk to you guys later.